If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, follow us on social media, and we'll keep the content coming. We're buying vehicles every day and updating our clients and our followers on social media. Right now you're looking at a new body style 2021 BMW M3. We purchased this vehicle with freshwater flood damage, and we're deciding whether we're going to build the vehicle or not. So right now I'm doing my walk around inspection. We're looking over the vehicle. We're going to check the electronical system, determine how deep the water was in the vehicle. It does actually start and it does drive. You can see there was definitely some moisture in the vehicle. We think the water line was somewhere around here. You can see where it stops. That's not too bad. There's no water in the headlights. Engine compartment looks clean. We have not detailed this vehicle yet. We're still in the deciding phase whether we're going to fix it or not. So far it looks like a yes. Do a quick walk around. Body's pretty clean. Has only a couple hundred miles. We're purchasing a lot of these flood damaged vehicles from the recent storms. I believe this is a competition edition. It's got the nice wheels. Carbon fiber roof. Definitely has some moisture inside. You can see the condensation on the windshields, but that's pretty easily resolved. We'll pull the interior complete, replace any cushions, put dehumidifiers in there, make sure we really dry it out, clean all the contacts. A lot of work goes into it, but we can get it right. We have a lot of experience with these flood damaged vehicles. We'll take a look inside. So, don't see any mold on the seats, which is a good sign. I do see a little corrosion there, which means there was definitely water in the interior. Carpet's a little damp, so we're gonna have to pull the interior on this car. Really nice car. It's a manual, very rare. You don't see too many these days. This new generation likes these SMGs and these paddle shift vehicles. I happen to like manual shift. It's more fun to drive. You can tell this car wasn't deep. We didn't detail it at all. There's no water in here, no debris. This doesn't even have a foul smell in here. I don't smell any mold. Definitely fresh water. See here, still has the plastic from the dealer. Carbon fiber trim, navigation. Really sharp car. I'm really excited for this one. Looking forward to diving in, see if we can get it right. I'm pretty confident we can. Once we complete the build, we'll post the photos on our website and update a new video. Thanks for watching.